Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial, we shall be looking at how to change Gmail account recovery number. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily change your Gmail account recovery number. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, and also this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now before you start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Gmail application. Now once you open your Gmail application, click on your profile at the top right corner. Now click on manage your Google account. Now once you click on manage your Google account, all you need to do is to scroll to where you can see security. Now once you go to security, scroll to where you can see recovery phone. Now once you click on recovery phone, it's going to take you to this place for you to verify your password. So enter your Gmail account password. Then you click on next. Now once you click on next, you can choose to delete or change it. So click on the pencil or the edit option, and now edit your number, so you can just change your contact and then enter a different one. Now once you are done, click on done and then click on next. And by clicking on next over here, you can see it will ask you to confirm over here. Now you can see get code. Click on get code, and once you click on get code, they will send a verification code for you to verify your account, and after verifying, your recovery phone number will be updated. So all you need to do is to just click on get code, and they will send you a verification code through your email or your SMS, and then use that verification code to verify this changes over here, and after that your recovery number will be changed successfully. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new video